Now that you have started your trial of ActiveAlert, it's time to get familiar with the different areas of the website when you log in at active911.com. This tutorial serves as only a quick walkthrough to get you familiar with the different areas of the website. We will go into more details of each page in our other tutorials. The website is where you will set up your agency's filters, groups, and devices. The main navigation takes place in the left side menu. When you first log in, you will be directed to the dashboard. This is where you will see information on all the different agencies you are a part of, as well as where you can change your password. On the agency page, you will see all the information about your agency account, including address and phone number. You can also set up agency-specific filters and options on this page. On the alerts page, you can see every alert that has been received for your agency and get even more details you may need from an alert. In the Analytics tab, you can access a variety of analytics reports about your agency, such as busiest user, busiest addresses, busiest hours, and alert type breakdown. The Assignments page allows you to create specific assignments for the personnel in your department. The Billing page is where you will manage renewals for your products. You will also be able to add more licenses and assign licenses to devices on this page. On the Devices page, you can create devices for your personnel and vehicles. The Family page is where you can create family SMS devices. On the Groups page, create custom groups for your agency that can be used to filter alerts to specific personnel. The Map Data page is where you will upload map marker data such as fire hydrants or pre-plans. Note that this is for uploading and downloading map data only. There is no map on this page to see where the markers are located. On the Users page, you can add or remove users and set user permissions. That was a quick walkthrough of the Active911 website. Check out our other tutorials to learn more about using these various pages, as well as understanding how the ActiveAlert mobile app works. If you would like any help getting your agency set up on ActiveAlert, please reach out to our team and we will be happy to assist you.